pumpkin soup. Boil, boil, trouble and toil. Pungent mustard seeds. Eye-popping chili flakes. That's the sizzle that we're looking for. Earthy cumin. And where are my limbless lizards? Limbless lizards. Oh, no, no limbless lizards in this recipe. Don't worry, I've got plenty more garlic to ward away those vampires. Curry pumpkin needs. Seriously, guys, canned pumpkin rocks. It's a party. You don't want to be stuck in the kitchen carving pumpkins. No, 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 no. It's soup time. After a long day of trick-or-treating and scaring little children, nothing better than a pumpkin soup. Coconut milk will make it rich and creamy. I hope it worked.